In this course, you will learn the basics of machine learning, and also complete a machine learning project using Python. As a part of the course, you will develop a project to predict the price of a new house. You will develop this using machine learning techniques, based on an existing house price dataset. You will learn the basic components of machine learning projects like importing a dataset, pre-processing the data, training the machine learning model, evaluation, and visualization of the model. You will also learn to use various tools like Anaconda, Jupyter, pandas, sklearn, numpy, etc. Finally, you will learn to visualize the datasets and interpret the results of the machine learning algorithm with the help of popular visualization tools. The course is based on Skyfi Labs' Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures your learning of technical concepts, in addition to building the project with your own hands. A topic like machine learning can be learned only by building projects. And Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Get course access instantaneously upon enrollment. And you can finish the project within 1 week, from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. With Skyfi Labs, you will not just build the project with a definite output, but also learn the concepts, so you can easily crack the interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by building projects.